And now no betena ha say eka say Justice Kwekwanan wakwako accuse Nana Grada say Nana Grada try say obe bribe no na nini name no em say ye ni enim de AC sisi ano ensem no akwako ye bebre na nse na beto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell no so ye no say latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka me wo audio bi mebo atrel na it's an audio for us all to see. Say sa bribery in some no Justice Kwekwanan, what did he say? Embra ye ka say ye command is cano. Na mebo audio natural. Now, the last time when I was speaking on this, I said say Justice Kwekwanan anya de. But I explained to you, me de. Asemo ameka say me bashu obi na me hwe na ade na ne bako ne ye no. There is a reason behind the ne bako ne ye ya. I'll tell you the reason as well. Na nini nemu no, if today is your very first time, na wu tie na wu nim de ye ka ho asema na wu nim de course so let me just explain matters to you so you understand what we are talking about. Now, the see here and say last 2 weeks Justice Kwekwanan use on the platform ye ni the platform our day on the Kennedy Japan wo dey expose fake pastors and our pastors wo mo so say wo mo fake. Na last 2 weeks Justice Kwekwanan betina so na Justice Kwekwanan kasafa na grada ho trese na grada ekohu asofo bi the bribe abre wono Justice Kwekwanan no egu na grada ni poto na grada babontin ebebo audio niti trese wono na grada akra no enye ono ne pe ana enye ono no ka se wo the bribe ekoma Justice Kwekwanan na wasofo bi ayefe na wasofo apia ana no na semba ye se woni wo ba bi koda o se den ni ebe che no sa wasofo apia no ka tre na grada se na grada yi me ne Justice Kwekwanan twetwe nkomo na wo tre me se ne ka asem mesre o de yenko hu no na ya adoye ena na grada ka se okay wo apia o pese wo ko hu na no problem but me to me ama oskana be akoma na enye bribe but adoye na wo ka se yenko na adoye no ene na me pese me ye den me ye no. Inti said Justice Kwekwanan betina the platform so accusing Nana Grada of giving him bribe no. Clearly it wasn't fair. Because I say Nana Grada no sorry no kase me be ma bribe say bo apayo bi say because ye say when he Reverend Obofo wo monya akasakasa when he got Nana Grada platform so wo kan say bi tia Reverend Obofo. Now, when he so any Justice Kwekwanan so enya kasakasa nti sisi ano aya koye say na grada na wotan hu ota eye when he echi a when he any wobofo any Justice Kwekwanan kono. It's already there is this notion that Justice Kwekwanan de wono de ye ne say na grada etai when he echi ema when he ni wono Justice Kwekwanan ye den kontokwa. Inti Justice Kwekwanan so de ebufuo we ekotena ne platform so cancel for Nana Grada so the ebufuo se Nana Grada be ma me bra meanwhile Nana Grada had good intention. Mama what you say the thing Justice Kwekwanan did and then ama Nana Grada crack say pa se wo besan so aye nipa doye pan de na nka wakea na te say ebia adoye bia na nka obi benya no because Justice Kwekwanan anye investigation na nka asem no mu hu ni say oh Nana Grada akra na enye ono no ka so be ma me bribe na Nana Grada akra say ni so obi na ka tell say won be me adoye a wo be ya me ninti no ase Justice Kwekwanan ama Nana Grada take sa action no which can even affect someone. Nti me ka say dabi Justice Kwekwanan yo bi a wo se wo investigative journalist nti asem we wa hwe na esisi a na trese wanya de but mebo Justice Kwekwanan abaso last 2 weeks na asem ni see last week what say in some na a course of explanation and the audios and everything no no Justice Kwekwanan be hu say he was wrong by accusing Nana Grada say Nana Grada ebe man a bribe. It was no Justice Kwekwanan last week o use platform no e ka say en na no wo be kan sem fa Nana Grada so sisi a wakwa ko hu say enye ne kre mebo Justice Kwekwanan abaso because Ghana has say sebe mmema we have bibia ye friend ego enye wo bia no ye obone a wo betumi aba bontie be yi na kumemu atre say bone ama ye de fa cheme na nya sa ena mia makwakwhwe no enye sa nete enye obi ano be sa iti mebo Justice Kwekwanan abaso say last week wo ba bonte no wo betre ensem neni so etre say ni ena eko. Now Mesan so about Justice Kwekwana na baso because audio ameba bebo atrel no. What happened ne say? Yes, osofo apia and na were middleman in all of these things. Na me bebo audio bi atrel wa audio no between osofo apia and the Justice Kwekwana phone conversation they had. Osofo apia ka tre Justice Kwekwana say Justice Kwekwana ne na agrada akra me ne na kasa ama Manase abranche na wo beti na wo show so e kan sem fa Reverend Obofo ho no me ne na akasa say won pe bibi ma no na agrada pe bibi ama Manase no na me ne na agrada nso akasa say won pe bibi nso emma o na Justice Kwekwana bisa osofo apia say sen and osofo apia ka tre ne say 10,000 Ghana cedis say 100 million. It's right there and then Justice Kwekwana capture osofo apia say apia faskano mempe. Now the reason why Justice Kwekwana rejected this and say yenim and na sensem e course ye disika man na ye betwa ye ka say Justice Kwekwana waje bribe don it no feel say when so ebe one of those things into waka say wonpe so clearly mebo Justice Kwekwana na baso because waka say sika no wonje waka say sika no wonje yenko tie sa phone conversation ni e ba ensem na eto aso ne so no ye de ebe bremo
man de man o ma iska e fa ni say mami kanchiro mami kanchiro street mami agrada eno say o pese o nano sponsor o ma iska e fa ni say me eno say me akwa man de man o ma iska e fa ni say Manasi timiana me na ye de Sunday no ana me o Manasi ska Manasi kra brem kaka o bre o sande kaka bremi timiana ma o de ma Manasi ana o say onu no na o find it very difficult say obetumi ayena me say o de ogu me kasa me di animu na bibi na pass de brewa on famrew enti 100 million 100 million 10,000 Ghana
Abia.
Yes, sir. Minfa.
Azusa.
Oh, I don't know. I somehow okay here. Oh, I'm more great dream you.
Very. Abia me here.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it.
Minya.
That's it. Intim patrol.
Maminya, I didn't Rebecca said him. Why?
Mate.
So clearly, nipa de waya papa obebo ne dimpa. Waya bone nso na opese okan na waka. Se Justice Kwekwana ni ade emra wo be accuse na agrada falsely and wrongly say na agrada person woman a bribe say na agrada ade no. Me use me platform way e ka say that Justice Kwekwana wanya ade because he touts himself as one of the best journalists in the country, best investigative journalist for that matter. Now investigative journalist na BBC see na when to me anya investigation now they best say will be dia na say o profession can say it's something that Bruni say is it doesn't even it contradicts your career and your profession. Inti send leak tape about on send ye who say right then and then Justice Kwekwana rejected the money. Na e also for appear no share in some way in Asia. Not to say was say your Justice Kwekwana and say yes, why are there? But me feel say nipa there. Hwe asema will be asema two ways so one asema will be e can and say so will be your papa wa how. Na Agrada didn't have the intention of bribing Justice Kwekwana. Na amama kai ensemi anasa akode Ghana ye musician a ye friend sa akode ensemi ano oka wase sisi a Ghana ha sei papa ye no eye se nipa be ye papa but nkrofo nso eye papa in them with the motive of controlling people. Now it is good say Justice Kwekwana yes na Agrada no obi na catch say one fast can bribe nti wonu ni trimu fa say bia enye bribe na whatever. But it is good say Justice Kwekwana didn't take the money because yes not to say na Agrada asemba or no Justice Kwekwana no na ka obo so wo be bias towards it. No hu be answer ni nia ete nti ye pa say Justice Kwekwana wan jiska no because okojiye ena kana na Agrada asemba ebia ena na ka no ebe yo ni trim say nipa de obi ayo papa na say wo ye boni no ye we kran na ya na wuntumi nhye da nka It says there will be a choice. We need no any chakabia. So that is the whole thing. Into your babo Justice Kukwana Nabaso. So why are but why are so na a yabonia, Yanson Yabeka, why are na a dear no so a year papano, Yanson, there was a year then. Ye can. Into Montreal margin, our comment box motive for Medasi.